Do you want to earn your customers' loyalty? And do you want to give them reward points for their continuous purchase? So here I'm having a solution for that. Hi, myself Nishtha, and in this video we're going to discuss about an add-on that is POS Loyalty Points for Opencart. With the help of this add-on, the admin will be able to assign loyalty points to the customer whenever they made a purchase from the POS system. And those loyalty points the customer can use in the future purchase for having a discount. The admin can also set the expiry dates for the loyalty points and can manage to which products the admin wants to set the loyalty points for the customer. Now, before knowing more about this add-on, do press the subscription button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. And if you do like the video, so kindly give the thumbs up. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now as you can see, I'm on the admin backend panel, from where we'll see how the admin can assign the loyalty points to the customers for the products. So I'm having the username and password for this demo. We're going to log in. Once we'll log in, this page will appear, and on the left hand side panel, you can see the extension option is there. You have to click on this extension option, then click on extensions. Once you install this POS on this panel, it will appear here. When you check modules, POS Loyalty Point System, and it is enabled. If you want to disable, so you can edit it and can disable. This is the status from where you can enable or disable this loyalty point system. The history title, if you want, just in case, change the history title, so you can change that title from here. Special product status, for example, if you want to give a special offer to some of the products, so you can give the offer to those products and can set the status disable or enable from here by choosing enable or disable. Refund point system, that is if some customer refund the product due to some of the issues, so you want the points which you have given to them, want the refund of those points or not, so you can set that enable or disable from here. The expiry point setting, that means till what time the loyalty points will be there in the panel of the customer and at what time the loyalty points will going to expire. You can decide enable or disable the system, the option from here. Set points expiry time, that means the duration, at what, like in how many days or in how much time the points will going to automatically expire. Expiry points mail status, do you want to give a notification of the expiry of the points to the customer, so you can select enable or disable. Expiry points mail template, from here you can choose the mail template which will going to send to the customer once the loyalty points will going to expire. Dispersal points mail status, enable or disable. And the template, from here you can select the template of the same. Redemption points mail status, once the customer is redeeming the points, for that also the customer need to have a mail or not, so you can select this from here and can set the status template of the same. Refund point mail status, if in case the points have been refunded from the customer's end, so for that also you can send a mail to the customer if you want, so you can set that enable or disable and can set the template from here itself. Once you're done with all these settings, you can click on save and the settings which you have made will going to save automatically. Now let me show you how you can set the loyalty points and can manage them. Go to on the left hand side panel, click on POS Loyalty Points. manage loyalty rules. Here you can write the rule name, start date when it will going to start, end date when it will going to end, status that is enable or disable, points calculation based on. You want to base the calculation on purchase amount or on the category, you can select from here. Minimum redeem points, that means on how much points the customer can redeem once. If you want to change anything in the existing, so you can click on the edit option and can change the settings of the existing one and can save it. Or if you want to add a new loyalty point or loyalty rules, so you can click on the plus button. And from here you can add the POS loyalty rules. Write down the rule name, start date, end date, and then the status that is enable or disable. The next point is point dispersal rules. Click on this point dispersal rules. From here you can manage how the loyalty points will going to calculate on the basis of the purchase of the customer. Points calculation based, that is purchase amount or on the category. Minimum purchase amount, that means enter the minimum purchase on which the rule will going to active for the customer. Each purchase amount, here you have to enter the purchase amount the customer will be awarded for each purchase amount. For example, total purchase amount is 1000 and each purchase amount is 100. So points type is you have selected fixed. Then the points will be 1. That means 1000 will going to divide by 100. So the answer will be 10. That means the awarded points would be 10 for that customer. If we had major purchase of 1000. Point type, that means you want to give the loyalty points on the basis of fixed or on the basis of percentage. So you can select it from here. The next one is points. Enter points that will be awarded to the customer. The next one is point redemption rules. From here you can select that how much points the customer can be able to redeem once he is making a purchase or once he is making a new purchase from the POS system. So this is how you can manage the POS loyalty rules from the backend as an admin for the customer. Now let me show you the storefront from where the customer can redeem these loyalty points and can make a use of it. So for that, we're going to click on this your store. These are having the credentials as a customer, so I'm going to sign in. This is the storefront of this POS loyalty point system. From here you can choose whichever product you want to purchase for the first time. So I'm choosing a product, this. Then add to cart. Now click on select customer, add customer, write down the telephone number, register and select. The customer has been successfully added. So now you can click on checkout. Here you have to enter the balance which is due, that means 122. Now you have already the payment method is already cash payment, so you can select it as cash. Now accept payment. If you want to print the invoice, so you can print invoice, or if you want to skip, then you can skip it. I'm skipping it. So like this, the customer can make a purchase for the very first time. Now let me show you how much loyalty points the customer have earned. On the left hand side panel, you can see the loyalty point option is there. Click on that loyalty point option. And here you can see the name, email, type that is credit and points that is 100. status is dispersal, and date added, that is 30. Everything is mentioned. The points which the customer got on the first purchase is 100. So in the next purchase, the customer will be able to use these 100 loyalty points. So let me show you how the customer can use these 100 loyalty points. For example, I'm purchasing this product. Now click on select customer. Here you have to write down the number. I have selected the customer. Now click on loyalty points. Write down the loyalty points which we're going to use. We are having 100 and the loyalty point we're going to use is 75. Click on checkout. As you can see, the balance due is 0. Click on accept payment. You have to choose the payment method as well, that is cash payment, then accept payment. The order has been successfully added with the order that is 324. So now you can skip it. Like this, the customer will be able to redeem those loyalty points in the next purchase for having a discount as well. And in case the loyalty points are more, then the customer can purchase that product in free of cost as well. And on the left hand side, you can check on the loyalty points that how much loyalty points the customer still have. You can see 25 points are still left. That means we have used 75 points and 25 points are still in the panel of the customer. So like this, the customer can make a purchase for the very first time from the POS system and can earn loyalty points and can make use of those loyalty points in the next purchase for a discount. So that was much about this add-on from my end. And still, if you have any query, any doubt or suggestions regarding this add-on, so you can reach back to us at support@webcool.com or you can raise our ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching our video. Have a good day.